So starting the test drive in this Escalade Premium Luxury, we have the magnetic ride control and the air suspension here. And on these 24s, very impressed by just the overall ride quality so far. Very smooth, just driving down the road here. Now with the 10-speed automatic, it does like to shift quite a bit, especially just in the normal drive mode. And with this one having just 5 miles, not gonna give it a whole lot getting on the interstate here, but I'll open it up. Here we go. So I don't even think I got above 4,000 RPMs there. And again, not even in sport mode. So this thing will go. Again, just with 5 miles on it, I didn't want to give it too hard of a pull. Now I want to test out the adaptive cruise. So I believe we have hands-free driving without having to get Super Cruise in this model. I'm not 100% sure, but usually I don't get lane centering coming down this exit ramp without getting over first and getting back on. So that would be pretty nice. It's kind of hard for me to test out the blue or the Super Cruise anyway, just because this lane over here is really packed and I'm just going down an exit. But where this really shines is just the well, I guess it did work because it says the hands-free driving is canceled because I'm in the exit lane. But this rides so well. Just so smooth, again, with 24-inch wheels. Absolutely great ride quality, great ride quality. Now as I'm hitting the brakes here, I'm feeling just a little bit of motion in the steering wheel, but I mean, I'm also on the off-ramp as well, so it's a little bumpy. But just super impressed by how this has gone down the road. Now I want to give one more thanks to Cadillac of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Escalade today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Now in terms of just what you're getting for the price, you get quite a bit here. You have a 7-passenger SUV that's pretty spacious. You even have a little bit of room behind the third row if you don't decide to go with the ESV. With this touring package, getting the soft closed doors, having the air suspension, it's almost $4 grand for the package, but I highly recommend it. But then just everything that you get here that comes standard, the adaptive cruise control, lane centering. It's just a really nice package for the money. And by that I mean just in the luxury space compared to the Navigator, the Wagoneer. And then even if you want to compare this with a comparable Lexus or Mercedes, I think you get a pretty good deal here. But for $115,000, I hate I have to pay an extra $2 grand for this interior, but again, it's something special. This Renaissance red is absolutely beautiful in person. But sound acoustics in here are good. Ride quality is fantastic. All the features you get just can't be beat. And if you're thinking about this or the Navigator, I just say go drive both of them or look at both of my videos that I have on them. I did a Navigator Black Label, and then just comparing it to this Premium Luxury, and then I've done a Sport Platinum trim as well. At this point, it's really based on preference. I think both of the big luxury American SUVs have come a long way at the same time, just with the refresh that we got on this Escalade and then getting that pretty hefty redesign on the 25 Navigator. Like both engines as well, Again, it's just a preference thing. The Navigator feels faster with the twin turbo V6, but of course, this one just having that larger displacement, 6.2 V8. Again, just depends what you want. But if you're getting one of these, something tells me you won't be disappointed. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Cadillac Escalade Premium Luxury.